Look at the image below. You have 25 seconds to prepare for your response. You will have 40 seconds to give your response. This image compares correct and incorrect sitting postures at a computer desk. On the left side, the person demonstrates a proper ergonomic position, sitting upright with a straight back, eyes level with the top of the monitor, elbows at a right angle, feet flat on the floor, and knees aligned with the hips. Green check marks indicate everything is aligned for comfort and spine health. On the right, the person shows a poor posture, slouched forward, head tilted down, rounded back, and legs tucked underneath the chair. Red warning symbols highlight the strain this position causes on the neck, spine, and wrists. This image emphasizes the importance of good posture to prevent long-term health issues while working at a desk. Preferred mode of commuting, pie chart. This pie chart shows people's preferred modes of commuting. The largest segment, 42%, prefers the metro, likely due to its speed and convenience. Local buses are next at 23%, indicating a strong reliance on public transport. Bikes come in at 24%, showing a good portion of the population values cost-effectiveness and flexibility. Finally, only 11% use cars, possibly due to traffic, fuel costs, or parking issues. This chart highlights a clear public leaning towards sustainable and shared transport systems. Life cycle of a chicken. This diagram illustrates the life cycle of a chicken in 3 main stages. It starts with an egg, which takes around 3 weeks to hatch. The egg then becomes a chick, a small, fluffy young bird that begins to grow. After about 3 months, the chick matures into an adult chicken. This adult chicken can then lay eggs, repeating the cycle. The image clearly shows how each stage connects, giving a simple and visual understanding of chicken development from birth to maturity. Steel recycling process. This image outlines the step-by-step process of steel recycling. It begins with collection of used items like cans and appliances. The materials are then sorted by magnet to separate steel. After that, steel goes through slugging, grinding, and into a furnace where it's melted. The molten steel is then formed, flattened in rollers, and shaped into end products like cars and household items. This cycle highlights the importance of recycling in conserving resources and reducing environmental waste. Most owned laptop brands in South Africa, 2023. This donut chart shows the distribution of laptop ownership in South Africa based on a 2023 poll. Dell leads with 22.7%, followed closely by HP at 19.5% and Lenovo with 17.6%. Apple holds a significant 14.3%, while Asus and Acer have 9.2% and 6.8%, respectively. Other brands make up 9.9%. The chart reveals that well-known global brands dominate the market, with Dell and HP leading the preferences of South African users. Drinking habits by age in the U.S. This bar chart breaks down drinking habits by age groups in the U.S. The 16 to 24 age group shows the highest number of never drinkers. As age increases, the number of light drinkers and ex-drinkers grows, especially in the 55 to 64 and 65 to 74 groups. Heavy drinking remains fairly low across all ages, but slightly increases in middle-aged groups. Overall, the trend shows younger people abstaining more, while older groups transition from drinking to quitting, possibly for health reasons. Food chain diagram. This image illustrates a basic food chain. It starts with grass as the producer, using sunlight to grow. The grasshopper, a primary consumer, eats the grass. Next, a frog eats the grasshopper as the secondary consumer. Then, the snake acts as the tertiary consumer by eating the frog. Finally, a hawk is the final consumer, feeding on the snake. After death, fungi and decomposers break down all organisms, returning nutrients to the soil, completing the cycle of energy flow in nature.